Hey there, this is the how-to for the RecordTypeHelper FlowUtility. Anytime that we need to reference an ID, we first need to go look it up based on what we know about that thing. In a flow, you're probably used to using a record lookup and saying, hey, go get me a record type with this object name, this developer name that's active, and put the ID into a variable. That's all good, and you should continue doing that if you only need to get one record type ID. In my hypothetical scenario, I'm getting 3, so that's where this flow utility comes in. The first part of it is you grab this record type underscore setup and go ahead and drag it on. You don't need to give it any input, but you will get an output of a collection of strings. What's actually happening is this is going and getting all of your active record types and formatting them and putting them into this collection of strings so that it can be referenced later. The second piece of it is use this record type underscore get ID, and each time that you need to go get an ID, you just tell it the object name, the developer name, and give it that collection of strings that you just got over here. And as an output, you're going to get a string variable containing your ID. So I'm going to do that 3 times to show you what I'm looking at. I'm getting not default 1, 2, and 3. Notice that the third one's not active. So when I run this, we get an ID for record type 1, 2, but we don't get one for 3, and that's because 3 is inactive. And that's it.